Hey everyone, welcome to my studio. I'm Julie Mazzoni and I want to show you 8 ways to say I love you with mosaic art. For this mosaic, I'm starting with a small liquid art panel by Pebeo, and I'm going to be using a white and silver palette with a number of pieces of jewelry and beads and pearls. Not real pearls. I also have some irridized tiles I might use to fill in if I have any open spots. So let me open this up. Measure the center. This is white thinset that I've got ready to go in a baggie that I've just snipped the corner off. It makes it easy for me to pipe it where I want it to go, and then I can use a spatula to sort of smooth it out before I put the jewelry in. This first piece does not have enough contact with the thinset, so I'm going to add a little bit in the middle here underneath where the piece goes, just so that it holds it better. The last thing that I did was add these little iridized clear bugle beads in any of the empty spaces, just to give it a little bit of extra sparkle. That's putting it together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.